What's up guys, and welcome to my channel, Flame 4. In this issue 7 from Build a Terminator T-800, we are going to be putting together the upper arms, and also we're going to be doing a couple more pieces on the arm section itself. So you want to make sure that you got all your pieces together, and you will need to have upper arm A, upper arm B, upper arm C, upper arm ring, the head motor joint A and head motor joint B. Also you will need to have some screws and one spare as well. The first thing it's asking us to do is to put this little black section. The black section has to be glued in. So what we want to do is it's 7-4 needs to be glued into 7-1. They say to make sure that you don't get any of the glue splodges inside the black section holes, so be careful with that. You do need to also put super glue around the lugs and around the area here, so just be careful and not to get it on any of the outer plastic because it will leave a white mark. Be careful putting it in place and make sure you push it down into the arm section which you previously have done, and it can only really go in one way. Not too sure why we're not screwing this in. I reckon that there's going to be screws that go into there, but I'm guessing that will just hold it into place. And there you have it. So it wants to look a little something like that. It looks kind of like a blade. The other side looks more like, you know, like where you'd get like a fan blade or something where it'd be motorized. So it does look really good and very detailed. And that is that section there. It's not really difficult one. It's just one that's a bit fiddly with the glue. And just make sure that you're careful. You will need to piece two sections together, which is the 7-2 and the 7-3, with the 7-7s screws, which are the only two silver screws that you do get in this. And they kind of just slot together. It's quite an easy one to do, to be fair, guys. There's not too much to do on this. It's kind of building a lot of sections together before we are putting it together in the end, in the long run. Again, with this section, 7-5 goes 7-6 attaches to 7-5 and held together by two more of those 7-7 screws. So they're the same screws, and it should look like that. So you want to make sure that your black section looks like this. Also, the other two bits there, and we have the main arm piece which is coming together and looking very big and very detailed, to be fair. They're really nice build, and I do love the quality. The quality is really good. I'm thinking, you know, this is definitely worth the money. Guys, the next video is going to be making up the thumb and then attaching the first finger. So that's going to be quite good, and the palm also. But we will be also doing the recap video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and see you real soon. Take care now.